Knock my socks off, unveiling the power of English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the vibrant idiom, knock my socks off. Idioms like these can really spice up your English conversations, and understanding them is key to sounding like a native speaker. So, buckle up as we explore this expression's meaning, usage, and origins. The phrase, knock my socks off, is a popular English idiom used to express being extremely impressed, amazed, or surprised by someone or something. It's a way of saying that an experience or a person's actions were so powerful or impressive that it could metaphorically knock the socks off someone's feet. This expression is often used in both casual conversations and professional contexts to convey admiration or surprise in a lively and vivid manner. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. In personal impressions, the first time I heard her sing, it knocked my socks off. She has an incredible voice. In professional settings, the presentation you gave was outstanding. It really knocked my socks off how well prepared you were. In reviews and recommendations, if you're looking for a movie that will knock your socks off, you have to watch the latest superhero blockbuster. These examples show that whether you're talking about a personal experience, praising someone's work, or recommending something, knock my socks off adds a layer of excitement and enthusiasm to your message. While the exact origin of knock my socks off is a bit murky, it's widely believed to have emerged in the United States in the early to mid-20th century. This idiom reflects the colorful and imaginative aspect of the English language, where clothing items like socks are used metaphorically to express strong reactions. The visual imagery of something being so surprising or impressive that it could literally displace your socks captures the essence of awe and admiration. Understanding idioms like knock my socks off can really enhance your English communication, making it more vibrant and expressive. We hope this video has done just that. Knocked your socks off with insights into this fascinating expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this idiom when you encounter something truly impressive. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and informative English learning content. See you in the next video.